One of the best things about the Christmas season is enjoying Christmas flavored coffee at home with friends and family. Now, you could stand in line with strangers at a coffee mart for an overpriced latte in a paper cup with a plastic lid. Or you could make this extra Christmassy gingerbread latte right in your home cafe in like 5 minutes. Just make a 2 ounce shot of espresso or some strong coffee, then heat up half a cup of milk and foam it up. Then slide that foamed milk into a mug and stir in about 2 tablespoons of gingerbread syrup. Now pull that espresso and gently pour it into the mug. For extra Christmas magic, add a little gingerbread syrup to some heavy cream and whip it up with a frother. Then spread it over the top. And for even more Christmas magic, sprinkle on some chai spice. Learn how to make your own gingerbread syrup through the linked video and follow us for better coffee in the comfort of your home cafe.